Hi, welcome to another episode of Activa English. Today, you will learn 5 clean and innocent foreign words that sound dirty for English native speakers. 1. Whore. No, it's not what you think it is. Whore is a Dutch word that means to hear. But it's almost always used as an interjection, as in the phrase ja hoor, which means yeah, sure. 2. Nigger. In Chinese Mandarin, this word is a speech filler, just like and can also mean that. Imagine listening to a conversation full of the word nigger. Number 3. Fuck yo. Self-explanatory, but trust me, this is a very innocent Czech expression that means for real. Number 4. Puss. Yep, puss. But then again, this is a very clean, innocent, and honest expression from Sweden that means kiss on the cheek. And number 5. Our last innocent foreign word is the Spanish word negar, which means to deny. And like the Mandarin word nega, is greatly confused for the N-word. So there you go, 5 innocent foreign words that may sound shocking and dirty for English native speakers. Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit our Facebook page, Activa Learning Center, for more video lessons. Have a good one. Bye.